for Indian students looking to study in the UK in 2024. The University of Birmingham has now opened application for a record £1 million scholarship fund reserved solely for Indian students. The university announced numerous scholarships including 20 awards of Outstanding Achievement Scholarships for undergraduate students worth £4,000 each. 15 awards of India Chancellor scholarships for postgraduate students worth £2,000 each and unlimited automatic scholarships worth £2,000 each under the Global Master Scholarship Scheme. These extremely competitive grants in STEM, business, the arts and other sectors cover up to 50% of tuition cost of outstanding undergraduate and postgraduate applicants beginning in September 2024. Don't pass up this historic opportunity to fund your degree at a top RUSAL Group institution. For more information, contact Videsh Consultz 9676502888.
Please do subscribe to Videsh Consultz channel and click on the bell button to get regular updates about Europe.